ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि योगं शिरसा गुरुम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Bhagwan told Vedas reach is up to three gunas. And O Arjuna, you should go beyond these three gunas. You should become a person who is always staying or residing or abiding in knowledge. O Arjuna, you should become free from the pairs of opposite. O Arjuna, you should be Atmavan. You should always be rooted in Atma. And this is how we saw in last loka, Traigunya Vishaya Vedaha Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna. Nirdvandvo Nitya Satvastha Niryoga Kshema Atmava. Niryoga Kshema means you don't worry about what you got and you don't worry about what you will lose. Yoga अप्राप्तस्य प्राप्ति ही योग. Praptasya paripalanam kshemah. That which you don't have now, you will gain after some period of time. That is called yoga. So, O Arjuna, don't worry what you will get. Kshema, whatever you have, it will sustain or it will long last with you. Kshema. That also don't worry. Means what you will get, what you will lose, don't worry about it. Atmavan bhava. Be very, very possessive of Atma. Now, in Vedas, different things are told. Karma, sadhana, sadhan, moksha, pramana, prameya, pramata, adhikari, vishay, sambandha, prayojan, uh, sadhana, chatushtaya. So many things are told. Videha mukti, mm, Jivan Mukti, hundreds of concepts, ashram, varna, so many things are told. What we should study or what or how we should go about it. So Bhagavan tells very beautiful shloka, very important shloka. Shloka tells us so much is told and imparted in our scriptures, but we should take or even Jnani Mahatmas, they or Brahmajnani Mahatma, they whatever they receive, whatever they choose, whatever they enshrine in their heart, that we should choose. Very simple. So many things are told what we should take from the gamut of this big scriptures. Very big and huge we have. So much we have lost, but still after losing abundant of books and knowledge, still we have enough, we can gain liberation. So out of that, what should I read? Should I read Gita? Should I read Mahabharata? Should I read Valmiki Ramayana? Tulsi Ramayana? What should I read? Okay, after having read, what how should I conclude? What should be my understanding? So many things are there. Bhagwan says, Yavanartha udappane sarvata samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu brahmanasya vijanatah yavanartha udappane sarvata samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः विग्रह यावान अर्थः उदपाने सर्वतः संप्लुतोदके तावान सर्वेषु वेदेषु ब्राह्मणस्य विजानतः. Now we see अन्वय. यावान just like अर्थ उदपाने, so use of pond, big pond is there, so much of water. Sarvatah samplutodake. And everywhere it is flooded with water. Everywhere. Sarvatah, from everywhere. Samplutodake bhavati. Tatha yavan artha. How much ever a person wants, that much water he will take. For example, I am thirsty. I went to one place where there is a pond, and around the pond so much water is there. How much water will I take? How much ever I need, that much water I will drink. Bhagwan says, same way, Sarveshu Vedeshu. So much is there in all four Vedas. Tavan Vijanatah Brahma. So, like that, though there is so much in all the Vedas, how Brahmanasya, a Jnani Mahatma Vijanatah, he knows what should be known, that much part you take, you imbibe in your life, you internalize, and you know. What is the question? Veda talks about three gunas. Paramatma is beyond three gunas. In order to know Paramatma, I should come to Sattva Guna, means I should be in the realm of Vedas only. So, how should I go about it? So, whatever is needed to understand Paramatma, Brahma, that much you understand nicely. Means what? In short, you do 2 years Chinmay Mission Vedanta course, you will understand everything. If 2 years you have a lot of time, then you can go to Varkari Shikshan Samstha. You will understand everything about spirituality, karma, sadhana, Brahma, yajna, everything you will understand. So you need not study entire Vedas. If you can study, you are the best person in this world. If you don't have time, whatever you can study, you study. Bhagavan says, just like there is water everywhere and you are thirsty, how much water you will drink? This much water you will drink. Same way, so much is written in Vedas. How much you will understand, how much you will know, how much ever is needed to know Brahman, I will know that. Simple and clear. जरी वेदे बहुत बोलिले विविध भेद सूचिले तरी आपण हित आपुले तेची घे जरी वेदे बहुत बोलिले विविध भेद सूचिले तरी आपण हित आपुले तेची घे पे जरी even though Vede Bahuta Bodale. By Veda, so many things are taught or imparted or revealed. Vivida Bheda Suchali. Different Vedas, different variety, different situation, different solutions Vedas has given. Bheda, Jiv, Jiva Bheda. Jiv, Jada Bheda. Jiv, Ishwara Bheda. Brahma, Ishvara Veda. Five types of Vedas are there in Vivek, in Vichar Sagar. But these Vedas, but different solutions, different ways of worship, different gods, everything Veda has given. So much is given. Tari, even though Veda has given us varieties, various distinctions and suggestions. Still, tari, still. आपणही तर आपुले तेची घे. We should learn or we should understand, realize how much ever is needed to understand Paramatma or myself. We should know that thoroughly and clearly without any ambiguity. So, आपणही तर आपुले तेची घे. We should understand Paramatma. By that our hita, well-being is going to happen. We should understand that and move forward. Examples are given, wonderful, beautiful example. Jaisa pragat liya gabasti, अशेष ही मार्ग दिसती, तरी ते तुलेही काय चाली जती, सांगे मज जैसा प्रगटलिया गभस्ती, अशेष ही मार्ग दिसती, तरी ते तुलेही काय चाली जती, सांगे मज. Example is given. Understand the concept. So much is given in Vedas. You will take that much portion which is needed to realize, to know Brahman or yourself. This is the concept. Now example is given. Jaisa pragatiliya gabhasti. Gabhasti means sun. Pragatiliya when sun rises. Jaisa as when sun rises. Asheshahi marga disati. You see 10 roads. One is going here, another is going here, another is going there, another is going all around. So many roads you see when sun rises. Tari te tulehi kaya chali jati. Tari, then when you see all the roads, then te tulehi, all the roads, do you walk through or do you choose to go through all the roads? Kaya chali jati, sange maza. You tell me, when you see all the roads, do you go through all the roads? No. Whichever way is your destination, you will go by that way. If you want to go to Pandharpur, you will choose Saswad Road. If you want to go Satara, you will choose Katras Road. If you want to go to Mumbai, you will choose Express Highway. So, though all the roads are seen, all the roads are nice, still you will go where you are supposed to go. No, 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 but this road is very nice. I want to go to Pandharpur, but this express NH4 highway is very nice. I will go by that way. You will never realize. See, what I am telling you is very important. You want to realize Paramatma, but you like chanting. You are not ready to leave that chanting. You will not know Paramatma. You want to know Paramatma thoroughly, but you love satsang or some guru. You are not ready to leave that guru. Not realize Paramatma. Because Shrotriya Brahmanishta Krupalu, that Guru will teach you scriptures and then you will go to moksha. Or you will understand what is moksha. Or you will understand what I am ever free. Or you will understand I am never free. Which I am talking, that you will understand when you go to Guru. So by doing what you like or what you see, if you march forward, nothing is going to happen. Which whatever is your destination, you have to choose appropriate apt road. Now the same example Nanasima will be repeating, which is given by Bhagavan Krishna. का उदकमय सकळ जरी जाहले असे महितळ तरी आपण घेपे केवळ आरती जोगे का उदकमय सकळ जरी जाहले असे महितळ तरी आपण घेपे केवळ आरती जोगे. का उदकमय or ka means or udakamaya, everywhere there is water. Sakal, everywhere full of water. जरी जाहले असे महितळ, even though महितळ on entire earth उदकमय सकळ जाहले असे. Even though everywhere there is a water, water and water, तरी then also आपण घेपे केवळ आर्थिक जोगे. आपण घेपे, we should take. घेपे, take. केवळ, that much. How much? आर्थिक जोगे. As much thirst you have, that much water you should drink. Means so much is given in Vedas, but how much ever is required to know Paramatma or self, that much you should take. Now, then if I take whatever I want, or how much ever is required to know God, if I take that much, will I realize Paramatma? Will I be happy ever? Will I not come back to body? This is my question. So Bhagavan says, you do your work, you do your best and leave the rest. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि कर्मणि एव अधिकारः ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुः भूः मा ते सङ्गः अस्तु अकर्मणि. Vigraha is very important. Otherwise, if you just outrightly read the shloka, then there may be a confusion. So, te means your. Adhikarah karmani eva. Te adhikarah, your freedom. Karmani eva, your right is in action only. Kadachana phaleshu man, never ever in what result you are going to get. Beautiful thought. This is very, very oft quoted sloka. So your right is in doing karma, not in getting the result of karma. Because karma phala data Bhagwan is different. And karma phala karma karta we are different. So we can do up to the level of our ability. And Bhagwan will give result depending upon all our karma. He will solve our mathematics of karma and he will give the result. And mark, so we should never expect the result. Means what? Karma phala hetuhu ma bhuhu. You should not be worried. You should not be worried about that karma phala hetu. Means in doing action, you should not be worried. What is karma phala hetu? If karma phala is 25,000 rupees salary, what is karma phala hetu? The work which I do for 26 days, 4 holidays, or 8 holidays, 22 days. So while doing work in 22 days, I should not be worried. I should not be confused. I should not be hesitant in that work. So ma karma phala hetu, karma phala hetu ma bhu. You should not be, negligent in doing that karma. No, no, no. But if I get undesired result and that result will be very painful. So better I should not do any karma. Te you sangaha akarmani ma astu. You should not be uh, actionless. Akarmani. Karmani means action. Akarmani means inaction. So you should not be actionless. Your heart should not want that I should not do any action. Because not doing anything is everything. So that also you should not do. So simple meaning is you have right in doing karma, not in action. When you do work, you should not be negligent or confused or worried about your work. Do it sincerely, diligently. If unconducive result you get, don't think that I won't do karma. Still, you have to do good karma. Bhagwan will calculate it and he will give you the proper result at proper time when you need it. Beautiful. मनोनी ऐके पार्था याची परिपाहता तुझ उचित होय आता स्वकर्म हे मनोनी ऐके पार्था याची परिपाहता तुझ उचित होय आता स्वकर्म हे म्हणून ऐके पार्थ ओ वाईज पार्थ लिसन टू याची परिपाहता when I talked about three Vedas and their limitations and when I said what you should become after that having seen and pondered upon that तुझ उचित होय स्वकर्म हे आहे. So your own duty is appropriate for you, nothing else. तुझं उचित स्वकर्म होय आता. Now स्वकर्म तुझं उचित होय. One's own duty, that will be the most beneficiary thing in your life. And I have understood everything and then I told you. Oh, same kind of feelings now Bhagavan says. मनोनी आम्ही समस्त ही विचारिले तव ऐसेची हे मना आले जे न संडिजे तुवा आपुले विहित कर्म आम्ही समस्त ही विचारिले तव ऐसेची हे मना आले जे न संडिजे तुवा आपुले विहित कर्म. So when you say you do your karma means what? There is nitya karma, naimittik karma, then Nishiddha karma, Prayashchitta karma, Upasana. What should I do? So, Amhi samasta hi vicharile. Amhi, Bhagavan is addressing himself as Amhi. Samasta hi vicharile. I have thought over it and not partially. Completely I have thought over it. Tava aise chihe mana ale. And this came to my mind. So I say Chimana, I realize this thought, what? जे तुवा आपुले विहित कर्म न सांडी जे नाम कारण that आपुले विहित कर्म one's own नित्य नैमित्तिक कर्म तुवा न सांडीजे. You should not drop them. You should not abandon your appointed duty. Your daily obligatory duties, you should not forget or you should not drop them. You do karma, but nitya naimittik karma you do, everything will happen. परी कर्म फळी आसन धरा न करावी आणि कुकर्मी संगती न भावी हे सत्क्रियाची आचरावी. परी कर्म फळी आसन हेतु परी कर्म फळी आसन करावी आणि कुकर्मी संगती न भावी हे सत्क्रियाची आचरावी हेतू विना. प्रॉपरली फरी कर्म फळी आसन करावी आणि कुकर्मी संगती न भावी हे सत्क्रियाची आचरावी हेतू विना. परी but कर्मफळी आसन करावे. You do vihita karma means nitya naimittik karma you do. Pari but कर्मफळी आसन करावी. If you are doing puja every day, don't expect anything. If you are doing Haripat every day, don't expect anything. If you are doing japa every day, don't expect everything because that is your nitya karma. Don't make it kamya karma. Asana करावी. You should not waiting, longing for the result. आणि कुकर्मी संगती न व्हावी. ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दॅट, कुकर्मी संगती न व्हावी, you should not do the prohibited action. Nishiddha karma. Kukarma means nishiddha karma, which you are not supposed to do. For example, eating meat, don't do that. Drinking alcohol, don't do that. आणि कुकर्मी संगती न व्हावी, you should not go in that direction. Then what should I do? हे सत्क्रियाची आचरावी हेतुविण. हे सत्क्रियाची आचरावी, you should do good actions. You should follow good action. You should perform good action. हेतुविण, without any desired result in your mind. Just do action to pure your mind. That's all. Satkriya you do without any reason, without any hetu. Now, योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते. योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्यो समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते. योगस्थ विग्रह. योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्धि असिद्धयोः समः भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते. So now Bhagavan is going to talk about what is yoga. Yoga is very well known in the world, but Ashtanga Yoga, Hatha Yoga, different parts of yoga, Bhagavad Gita talks about yoga in little bit different. So Bhagavan says, Hey Dhananjaya, Dhanam Jayati iti Dhananjaya. Oh, the real winner of wealth, or real wealth winner, Sangam Tyaktva, without being attached to any action or a result. Siddhi, asiddhayoho samaha. Siddha means if whatever work you do and the result comes, appropriate result comes, or the works get achieved or goals get achieved, we come. Don't dance. Asiddha samaha. If that is not achieved, whatever you have planned, desired, that is not achieved, don't cry. Yogastha Kuru Karmani, being established in yoga, in equality of mind, Kuru Karmani, you do all your actions. Means whether you will be successful or fail, don't worry. Don't worry about success and failure in your mind. Failure. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Evenness of mind is called yoga. This evenness. Sukha dukkha, I am equal. Nothing is happening. Just like Rama was going to coronate on next day, and on the day of coronation, he was asked to go to forest. So the smile, when it was there to sit on the throne, the same smile it was there when he departed or when he was, banished to the forest. So he was equal in both the situation. That is called real yoga or yoga. If it is fulfilled, fine. If it is not fulfilled, I'll work hard. सुयोग युक्त होनी फळाचा संग टाकोनी मग अर्जुना चित्त देवोनी करी कर्मे. सुयोग युक्त होनी फळाचा संग सांडोनी मग अर्जुना चित्त देवोनी करी कर्मे. You to yoga yukta ho. You should be steadfast. You should be rooted, abided in yoga. Means whatever comes, I mean. But I will do my action sincerely. Sincerely. Yoga yukta ho. By being rooted in yoga, you do all your actions. But phalata sangha sando, you should not be worried or thinking about the result of action. Mag Arjuna Chittadevo ni kari karmi. Mag. So once you are rooted in actions or once your mind is ready to accept any result, And once your mind has forsaken the fruit of action, then mग अर्जुना चित्त देवोनी करी कर्मे. अर्जुना चित्त देवोनी कर्मे करी. Oh Arjuna, do actions with 100% attention. Don't be dilly-dally in doing your action. Be 100% sure, Arjuna. परी आदरिले कर्मे कर्म दैवे जरी समाप्ती ते पावे तरी विशेषते ततोषावे हेही नको. जरी आदरिले कर्म दैवे जरी समाप्ती ते पावे तरी विशेषते ततोषावे हेही नको. परी, but Nyanesh Maharaj is but now you are doing your work intelligently. You have plan out your work and you are going to work out your plan. परी, if आदरिले कर्म दैवे, आदरिले means undertaken action or plan of action, दैवे with good fortune, समाप्ति ते पावे, if it comes to an proper happy ending and you get the desired result also, तरी विशेषते सतोषावे हे नको. तरी, then also you should not be over excited or too much happy about what you got. Though it was planned work, but still you should not be too happy to get it because there can be another uh, course of action or task you might have to perform. So you focus on next task. Like that it goes on. So don't celebrate too early with one or two achievements. This is about achievement. Failure का निमित्ते कोणी एके ते सिद्धी नवतत ठाके तरी तेथेचे नि अपरितोखे क्षोभावेना. का निमित्ते कोणे एके ते सिद्धी नवचत ठाके तरी तेथेचे नि अपरितोखे क्षोभावेना. परी कोणे एके निमित्ते, but because of some reason, for some reason, but because of some reason, nimitta means reason, means you have planned out your work, you are working sincerely, still you didn't get the result, desired result. का निमित्ते कोणे एके ते सिद्धी न वतत ठाके. Think prevented your result. Siddhi, it doesn't get achieved. Fulfillment is not there. तरी तेथे जे अपरित तोखे शोभावेना. But the failure from that successful planned action should not affect you. तेथेचेने अपरित होके क्षोभावेना. You should not be disturbed by the undesired result. Aparitokhe. Paritokha means aparitokhe means very disheartened or very unhappy with the result, and that unhappiness or the failure of the result should not disturb our mind. That is what Bhagavan told. Siddhya siddhyo samo bhuta. आचरता सिद्धी गेले तरी काजाची कीर आले. परी ठेलिया ही सगुण जाहले ऐसेची माणी. आचरता सिद्धी गेले, if you do it well and if you achieve the desired result, you are successful. तरी काजाची कीर आले, then you should not be worried about the work, what you have done. Kaza means work. कीर आले. Okay, if it meets with success, then we will not be worried if it is successful. But still, we should not celebrate too much because life is too long, too many obstacles, too many goals, too much striving, everything is there. परी ठेलिया ही सगुण झाले ऐसी समानी. But if you can't complete your work, then also you think that, oh, complete only. What Naneshwar Maharaj is telling means you do some work, you plan some work, you do some work, and you don't get the desired result. Still, you think, everything was good, the work has done. This is how you think. This is how the literal meaning of the same thing. But Why Dhaneshwar Maharaj is asking us to think in this way, though the result is not achieved, we should say, oh, I we achieved the result. It is not like that. Though the result is not achieved, but our sincere efforts are put in a right direction. So why Dhaneshwar Maharaj is saying this? This coming in next. देखे जे तुलाले कर्म निपजे ते तुले आदि पुरुषी जरी अर्पिजे तरी परिपूर्ण सहजे दाहले जाण. Why we should consider incomplete work as complete? Because whatever work we have done, देखे जे तुलाले कर्म निपजे, whatever result we have got, ते तुले आदि पुरुषी जरी समर्पिजे, whatever result we have got, that result, the fruit of action, we are going to give it to Bhagavan. Whether it is complete, Krishnaya namas Krishnaya, Krishnarpanamastu, Krishnaya Arpanam astu. Whatever unfinished result is there, Krishnaya Arpanam astu. So I am going to give it to Lord Krishna. This way it is considered as complete. Dhaneshwar Maharaj is not telling that you are failure in your work and you consider yourself, yeah, we consider. Not in that way. You should offer whatever result you get to Bhagavan. How are you going to offer that beautiful message? Everything I want to. My Swamiji told, offering result to Bhagavan means offering yourself or thinking that Bhagavan, you only did it. You only got it. You used me as instrument. This much you understand and move forward. तरी परिपूर्ण सहजे जाहले जाणे. If you give it to God, then you can understand this is complete. Now, what is good, what is bad, don't worry about it. You be equal, and that is called yoga स्थिति. देखे संता संती कर्मी, हे जे सरिसे पण मनोधर्मी, तेची योग स्थिती उत्तमी प्रशंसिजे. देखे संता संती कर्मी, हे जे सरिसे पण मनोधर्मी, तेची योग स्थिती उत्तमी प्रशंसिजे. देखी, ती अर्थ संत गुड कर्म, असंत मीन्स बॅड ऍक्शन, बॅड कर्म. संत हे जे सरिसे पण मनोधर्मी ऍट माइंड लेवल. सरिसे पण वी शुड बी इक्वल towards what is good or what is bad. You should be equal. Okay, that doesn't mean you should do bad actions, but you should be good whatever results you get. But you should do good karma, that was told in previous verse. Techi yoga sthiti uttami prashansije, and that is called yoga sthiti. That is called the real the avastha. That is the real state of yoga. It is uttama, it is great, and prashansije, and that is, adorned by great people. That is admired by great people. That is praised. This yoga sthiti of accepting what is good, what is bad at mental level, this is highly appreciated by great people. And that is called yoga. So here we will सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा. सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा. म्हणे मन राणीवा घर केले, घर केले, काय करू सये सावळे गोवित. काय करू सये सावळे गोवित. सावळे परब्रह्म आवडे या जीवा. सावळे परब्रह्म आवडिया जीवा म्हणे मन राणी वा घर केले म्हणे मन राणी वा घर केले काय करूस ये सावळे गोवित काय करूस ये सावळे गोवित आपे आपलपत मन तेथे आपे आपलपत मन तेथे काय करूस ये सावळे गोवित काय करूस ये सावळे गोवित वापर कुमा देवीवरून सावळी प्रतिमा वापर कुमा देवीवरून सावळी प्रतिमा म्हणे म्हण क्षमा एक झाले म्हणे म्हण क्षमा एक झाले काय करू सये सावळे गोवित काय करू सये सावळे गोवित आपे आपण पत म्हणते थे काय करू सये सावळे गोवित काय करू सये सावळे गोवित ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान श्री ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज गुरु तुकाराम सद्गुरु महाराज की ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम